In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Microsoft Store. Whether you're installing new apps, grabbing updates, or exploring games and entertainment, getting to the Microsoft Store quickly will save you time. I'll walk you through a few simple ways to open it, and I'll add helpful pointers so you feel confident whichever method you choose. Let's start with the most familiar option, using the Windows search bar. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to bring up the Start menu in the search field. Without clicking anything else, just start typing Microsoft Store. As you type, you should see the Microsoft Store appear at the top of the results, usually with an icon that looks like a white shopping bag with a colorful logo. If you prefer using your keyboard, press Enter to launch it. If you're using your mouse, click the app icon. This approach is great if you're not sure where the app lives on your system because search will find it for you quickly. If you don't see it right away, double-check the spelling, then press Enter when it appears. Now here's a fast, keyboard-focused method using the Run command. Press Windows key plus R at the same time to open the Run box. In the text field that appears, type Mrs. Windows Store. Exactly like that, including the colon at the end. Then click OK or just press Enter. This command tells Windows to open the store directly, and it's especially handy if you like quick shortcuts or if search feels cluttered. If nothing happens, make sure there are no extra spaces and that the colon is included. The command won't work without it. There's also an easy option that's often right in front of you. By default, Windows pins the Microsoft Store to the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Look for the icon shaped like a white shopping bag with the colorful Microsoft logo. When you spot it, click once to open the store. This is the fastest click and go approach when the icon is visible. If you use it often, keeping an eye on this icon makes launching the store feel almost instant. Once the Microsoft Store opens, you'll land on the home page where you can browse apps, games, and more. That's all there is to it. Use search if you like a guided find, the Run command for a speedy shortcut, or the taskbar icon for a single click. Choose the method that fits your workflow and you'll be in the store in seconds whenever you need it.